Okay. Finally, before we get to the limiting phase here, I like to just bring down the resonating frequencies. There's a couple ways to do this. You can grab an EQ8 here. And then go ahead and turn it to that. Okay, so now basically the idea here is you're going to change all of these to a bell curve. Okay, they're all except for that one. Okay, and then we're going to turn them all on. And we're going to adjust accordingly. And then we're going to turn this like little parameter on right here. And basically the idea here is you're trying to isolate frequencies that are really high pitched. They don't sound good. And you'll hear it when you do a little sweep through of the frequencies here. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so we're gonna basically turn the Q all the way up to get like a minimal curve here. And then now we're gonna sweep down, and when you hear it, you'll know it. I'll show you. Right there. So you hear how like it doesn't sound pleasant to the ear. So we can basically get rid of that easily by just lowering it. And then we repeat the process again for this one. Let's try that again. Alright, now we bring up number 7, bring the gain all the way up, bring the Q all the way up. However, an easier way to do all that is to actually use something called Soothe by OEX Sound. I forgot how you pronounce it. Let's see if I can find it here. Here you go. And this does the same thing for you with one big parameter right here that you just adjust, and it kind of does the work for you for what I just showed you how to do. So let's take a listen. Now that kind of muffles it, so you don't want to go too hard on it. I always find about right there. Okay, so let's take a listen with it off.